Hey everyone, my name is JJ Basig and I'm a first year BSIT student, and let me take you through my experience during CCS Days 2024 in Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Pasig. So day 1, I was a little late on day 1 but I didn't miss the intro. The hosts were so energetic and got everyone hyped up right from the start. There were a ton of games lined up. I joined a classic Trip to Jerusalem game. Here's a clip of me playing.
Oo! Ito na! Ano yan? Agawan. Ay, nagsapakan! Yay! 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 Pati! Sapakin mo! Adik! Iraulo ko yun!
Practice po, practice. Okay, nalisado ulit. Practice. Ingat ka.
I didn't win, but it was fun.
Yok! Ayun na! Ayun na! Matayan na sila! Oh! Balik! Ayun! Panalo to, panalo. Naipit kamay, naipit kamay. Injured, injured.
After that, they also held some cool competitions: PC assembly, networking, IT quizzes, graphic designing, web designing. There was something for everyone. Day 2, it was all about teamwork. Our team sang the chant our leader created. We also didn't win, but it was such a fun experience bonding with everyone. CCS Days 2024 was unforgettable, from the games to the competitions to just having fun with friends. It's definitely a nice event. Thanks for watching.